breakfast in City Suites Hotel. Wasn't able to sleep last night. Si baby, hindi nagpatulog. So, hopefully, this thing will do the job. Buti may coffee machine. So, walang tao. This is their breakfast. Simple lang. At maganda, walang tao. So, very private. Green. Eggs. Not really a breakfast person, but let's see. So I need energy. Let's see. Oh, may isa pa. At least maganda coffee machine. So let's see kung anong kakainin natin. Ang Taiwanese breakfast. Noodle. Actually wala akong gusto. So anyway. Made it in Mount Tong Gondola or the cable car. We wanted to try the cable car. Yeah. Because it will be the first time cable car of Anika. So it's about 20 minutes away from the city, from Taipei. Taxi lang kami. Sobrang bait ng mga taxi dito. The taxi drivers will really take care of you. So they'll make sure that you're comfortable, etc. Diba? So that's why I love Taipei. I love Taiwan. Bait ng mga tao. So yun yung mga cable car. And Taipei Zoo is right around the corner. So this will be the first agenda of the day. Yeah. First time ni baby to do the cable car. Because when we were little, when I was little, dinadala rin ako ng parents ko sa Hong Kong. Yan, sa mga cable car. Now, it's time to return the favor. So si Anika naman. Hope she enjoys. And the weather is great. It's about 18 degrees na malamig-lamig. Medyo gloomy. Yan. So I'm really loving the weather. Ito yung pinunta ko rin dito is the cold weather during February. So kahapon medyo mainit. But now, it's quite chilly. Naka-jacket lahat sila. And wala masyadong tao ngayon. Saktong-sakto. Right, while waiting, no? So kami, walang tour guide, we're doing everything ourselves. So mas relaxing yun kasi you control your time. So if it's in a tour kasi, you are always rushing. Mamadaliin kayo ng mga yun. Ng mga tour guide nyo, yan. Kasi everything is pressed on time. But if you're just doing it yourselves, you're saving a lot of time, hindi ka pressed against time. Yun nga lang, you just have to do your own research. Para you know where to go to, what to look for when going to certain places. Yeah. But it's really beneficial. Nakaka-relax. And vacation is supposed to be relaxed. So yun lang. Just want to share that we are doing everything ourselves. Ang transportation namin mostly dito in Taipei is taxi or Uber. Yan. Mas magastos na ng konti, pero okay lang yun. Sandali lang naman kami. So anyway, malapit na ata kami to ride the cable car. Yan. I'm excited and I really love the weather. It's really chilly. So, yun ang pinunta ko dito. See you in a bit. Right, eto na. Going inside. Alright. Hello! Oh, crystal floor. Oh, look. Look. 30 minutes ba? 30 minutes up the mountains. So, we just wanted to bring Anika here para naka-cable car na siya. First cable car. Because I remember, when I was a kid, dinadala kami ng parents ko dito. In Hong Kong, eh.
Matulog ka na dito.
So, pag bata ka, excited din yan. So, hopefully, she enjoys the ride and she understands. Ayan. Magkano ticket?
260 yung bilhin na.
260 Taiwanese dollar. So, mga 300, 600 pesos. Ayan. Diba? Look at the view. Oh, ayan na. And it's quite raining, gloomy.
Ika lang ko picture tayo.
Oh, hindi naman siya natatakot. So, we bought the ticket online when we were in Manila para dire-diretso. Madali naman, just go on sa website and the site will guide you para dire-diretso, hindi ka na pumila pagdating dito. Yeah. So, we have the car to ourselves. Very private. Saya. We reached the end of the station. Yan. That's the end of the station. And bonus! What a feast! Cherry blossoms. Oh, di ba? That's why I love Taiwan. Makakita ka ng cherry blossom pag February. Oh, how cool is that? Doon kanina sa mountain, sa bundok, marami rin. Sobrang dami ring cherry blossom kanina. Sa mga temple. Because you can go down per station, tapos take pictures, relax, whatever. So, dito sa end, meron din naman mga blossoms, which I'm very, very happy. Yan, kasi mahilig ako dyan. Yan, di ba? So, you really feel that you're out of the country, kasi sa atin, wala yan. Yan. So, I'm giving you first look of the station. Yan. Here. Look, mga kids. Hello. Field trip ata. So maraming bata. Ayan, so this is the park. It's a park. Oh, ganda naman, di ba? It's a perfect day. Medyo umuulan lang, but malamig. Ganda ng weather. Alright.